Nigiri sushi is the most common type of sushi in Japan. This is a bit difficult, but let's make it simple. This is made of sushi rice bowl and piece of raw fish on top. It's very simple. Let's make it.
The first is salmon. It's important to use sashimi grade salmon. Clean the salmon first. Remove this white part. Cutting down until the skin. You can hold the skin. The knife goes between meat and skin. And keep going, remove the skin. After remove the skin, start slicing the salmon from the belly part. First, second cut is offcut. Those offcuts using for salmon roll sushi. Make it angle to cut little bit long length for sliced salmon for nigiri. This is nigiri sushi piece. Keep going to slice salmon. If you failed, no stress. It's difficult for first time. If you try again and again, the result will be better. After slicing for nigiri pieces, the next is cutting salmon for salmon roll. Just cut into stick shape. This salmon is sushi filling for salmon roll. The side is not too big. Prep salmon is done. To make nigiri sushi, grab a small amount of sushi rice and make a small bowl. Then don't make it tight. Pick up a piece of fish and place on top of the rice bowl. Use your thumb and index finger to press and shape it into oval shape. Shape the other side as well. Let's make another one. Make a small rice bowl. Place a sliced salmon on top. Shape it with 2 fingers. Let's make 3 pieces of salmon nigiri sushi.